Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Through Stories. We have a special treat for you, a collection of interesting stories in English. These stories will not only entertain you, but also help improve your English listening and speaking skills. So, get comfortable and let's dive into our first story. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a clever fox named Felix. Felix was known for his intelligence and cunning nature. Rabbit, Felix, can you help me find some food? I'm really hungry. Felix, of course, Rabbit. Follow me. Know just the place. Felix led the rabbit to a field full of fresh vegetables. The rabbit was delighted and thanked Felix for his help. Rabbit. Thank you so much, Felix. You're so clever, Felix. No problem, Rabbit. Always happy to help a friend. One day, Felix heard about a trap set by a hunter to catch animals. He decided to warn his friends. Felix, everyone, listen. A trap set by the hunter near the river. Be careful and avoid that area. Thanks to Felix's warning, all the animals stayed safe. Felix was not only clever, but also very caring. Let's pause here and review some key vocabulary and phrases from this story. Clever, quick to understand, learn, and devise or apply ideas. Example: Felix was known for his intelligence and cunning nature. Cunning, having or showing skill in achieving one's ends by deceit or evasion. Example: Felix was known for his cunning nature. Trap, a device or enclosure designed to catch and retain animals. Example: Felix heard about a trap set by a hunter. Warn, to inform someone in advance of a possible danger or problem. Example: Felix decided to warn his friends about the trap. Now, let's practice some common phrases you might use when talking about cleverness or giving warnings. In a small town, there was a kind and generous merchant named Mr. Ahmed. He was known for his generosity and fair dealings. Customer: Mr. Ahmed, I don't have enough money to buy this rice. Can you help me? Mr. Ahmed, of course, take the rice. Pay me whenever you can. Mr. Ahmed's kindness spread throughout the town, and people trusted him deeply. Mr. Ahmed, my crops failed this year. Have nothing to sell. Mr. Ahmed, don't worry. I will give you some money to get through this tough time. Just focus on next year's harvest. Mr. Ahmed's generosity not only helped the people in his town, but also earned him their respect and admiration. Let's take a moment to review some key vocabulary and phrases from this story. Generous, showing a readiness to give more of something than is necessary or expected. Example: Mr. Ahmed was known for his generosity. Merchant, a person or company involved in wholesale trade, especially one dealing with foreign countries. Example: Mr. Ahmed was a kind and generous merchant. Crops, cultivated plants that are grown as food, especially grains, fruits, and vegetables. Example: the farmer's crops failed this year. Harvest, the process or period of gathering in crops. Example: focus on next year's harvest. Now, let's practice some phrases you might use when talking about generosity or helping others. Can you help me? Pay me whenever you can. Don't worry, I will help you. Focus on the future. In a small village, there lived a brave little mouse named Max. Max was tiny but had a big heart and was always ready to help others. Chicken: Max, there's a cat in the village. We're all scared. Max, don't worry, Chicken. I'll find a way to protect us. Max devised a plan to keep the cat away from the village. He gathered his friends and explained the plan. Max, we'll create a noise trap. When the cat comes near, the noise will scare it away. The plan worked perfectly, and the cat never came back. Max's bravery saved the day. Chicken, thank you, Max. You're so brave, Max. Just doing what I can to keep us safe. Let's review some key vocabulary and phrases from this story. Brave, ready to face and endure danger or pain. Showing courage. Example: Max was tiny but had a big heart and was always ready to help others. Protect, to keep safe from harm or injury. Example, I'll find a way to protect us. Noise trap, a device designed to make a loud noise when triggered. Example, we'll create a noise trap to scare the cat away. Courage, the ability to do something that frightens one. Example, Max's bravery saved the day. Now, let's practice some phrases you might use when talking about bravery or protection. Don't worry, I'll protect you. We'll create a plan to stay safe. You're so brave, just doing what I can to help. In an ancient oak tree, there lived a wise old owl named Olivia. Olivia was known for her wisdom and knowledge. Animals from all around the forest came to her for advice. Squirrel, Olivia, I'm worried about the coming winter. How can I prepare? Olivia, gather enough food and build a warm nest. Stay active and alert. The young squirrel followed Olivia's advice and had a safe and comfortable winter. Dear Olivia, why do the seasons change? Olivia, the earth moves around the sun, and the tilt of its axis causes the seasons to change. Olivia's wisdom helped the animals understand the world around them. Let's review some key vocabulary and phrases from this story. Wise, having or showing experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Example, Olivia was known for her wisdom and knowledge. Advice, guidance or recommendations offered with regard to prudent future action. Example, animals from all around the forest came to her for advice. Prepare, to make ready for use or consideration. Example, how can I prepare for the coming winter season? Each of the 4 divisions of the year marked by particular weather patterns and daylight hours. Example, why do the seasons change? Now, let's practice some phrases you might use when giving or receiving advice. How can I prepare for something? Stay active and alert. Why do things happen? Follow the advice given. In a dense forest, there lived an honest woodcutter named Henry. Henry was known for his integrity and hard work. One day, while cutting wood near the river, Henry accidentally dropped his axe into the water. Distraught, Henry, oh no, my axe, how will I work without it? One day, while cutting wood near the river, Henry accidentally dropped his axe into the water. He was distraught. Henry, oh no, my axe, how will I work without it? Suddenly, the river spirit appeared, holding a golden axe and a silver axe. River spirit, did you drop these axes? Henry, Henry, no, I dropped my old iron axe. River spirit, you are honest. Henry, take all 3 axes as a reward. Henry's honesty earned him the respect of the entire forest. Let's review some key vocabulary and phrases from this story. Honest, free of deceit and untruthfulness. Sincere. Example, Henry was known for his integrity and hard work. Distraught, deeply upset and agitated. Example, he was distraught when he dropped his axe. Integrity, the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Example, Henry was known for his integrity. Reward, a thing given in recognition of service, effort, or achievement. Example, take all 3 axes as a reward. Now, let's practice some phrases you might use when talking about honesty or integrity. You are honest. I dropped my item. Take this as a reward. Thank you for your integrity. In the crystal clear waters of a beautiful beach, there lived a helpful dolphin named Dory. Dory was known for her playful nature and willingness to help others. Whale, Dory, I'm stuck in the shallow waters. Can you help me get back to the deep sea? Dory, of course. Follow my lead, and I'll guide you back. Dory led the whale back to the deep sea, ensuring its safety. Whale, Dory, I'm stuck in the shallow waters. Can you help me get back to the deep sea? Dory, of course. Follow my lead, and I'll guide you back. Dory led the whale back to the deep sea, ensuring its safety. Sea turtle, Dory, I can't find my way back home. In this video, we bring you a collection of interesting and captivating stories designed to improve your English listening and speaking skills. Perfect for beginners and intermediate learners, these stories are not only entertaining but also educational. What you'll learn: glowing star engaging stories, dive into heartwarming and exciting tales like The Clever Fox, The Generous Merchant, The Brave Little Mouse, The Wise Old Owl, The Honest Woodcutter, and The Helpful Dolphin. Each story is crafted to keep you hooked while enhancing your language skills. Glowing Star Key Vocabulary and Phrases. Expand your English vocabulary with essential words and phrases related to everyday interactions, honesty, bravery, and more. Glowing Star Interactive Practice. Participate in practice sessions to reinforce new vocabulary and phrases, boosting your confidence in using English in real-life situations. Why watch this video? Glowing Star Beginner and Intermediate Friendly. The stories are easy to follow, with simple vocabulary and clear narration. Glowing Star Practical Learning. Learn phrases and vocabulary that you can use in daily conversations and real-life scenarios. Glowing Star Engaging Content. Enjoy a variety of stories that are not only educational but also fun and engaging. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into Englishstorywell, where every story is a step towards mastering English.